is Abdul Aziz bin Osman.
My name is Aiman Ikhwan bin Abdul Aziz.
My name is Narsufmana bin Fauzan.
My name is Siti Nurjahida binti Anwar. The formula for calculate the price elasticity of demand is percentage change in quantity demand divided by percentage change in price of goods, which is ice latte. In this question, we need to identify which one is the original quantity demand and which one is the new one, same goes to the price. After that, substitute all details into the formula. 800 minus by 1000 divided by 1000 and times 9 divided by 11 minus 9, and we get negative 0.9. But the final answer will be 0.9 because after given formula will always give a negative coefficient. The coefficient of price elasticity of demand will always have a negative sign. However, in practice, the negative sign will be excluded. So for question 2, as we can see that the price of ice latte increased from 9 ringgit to 11 ringgit, while quantity demand of ice latte decreased from 1000 cups to 800 cups. So from the calculation, we can conclude as the price of ice latte goes up, quantity demand goes down, but proportionately less than the increasing in price. Price is elastic. In this case, demand is very responsive to the price changes. As price increase by 1%, the quantity demand for ice latte will decrease by 0.9 and vice versa. So, should Lok KL Coffee maintain the new price? Yes, Lok KL Coffee should maintain the new price if the goal is maximize revenue. Since the demand in inelastic, revenue increase when price increase because the loss in sales proportionally smaller than the price gain.
Okay, now I will present study case number 2. This is the formula I use. Formula used to calculate income elasticity of demand, or YED. YED measure how sensitive the quantity demand is to change in income. There are 3 formulas to calculate YED. For example, like this formula. And for the question I use YED equal to QD1 minus QDO divide QDO times YO divide Y1 minus YO. And now we just need to put the value inside the formula and we will get 2 for the answer. This helps us clarify goods as normal, luxury, or inferior. Okay, now let's look at the explanation of our income elasticity result. The YED we calculate is 2, which is greater than 1. This means organic rice is a luxury goods. When income rise just 1%, the quantity demand increase 2%. This shows that demand is very responsive to income change, and this is called elastic income. Lastly, for the recommendation for the store is focus on high income segment, like target marketing towards middle to high income household. Other than that, diversification. Add a normal or inferior organic alternative for price-sensitive customer to ensure stable demand even if income fall.
So for question 3A, the formula we use is percentage change in quantity demand of burger divided by percentage change in price for fried chicken. After we extract all the data, we get 1.2% as the final answer. So for question B, the demand curve is positive cross elasticity. When E is more than 0, fried chicken and burger are substitute goods. A decrease in price of fried chicken would decrease the quantity demand of burger. So for the recommendation for fast food chain, we can consider lowering the price for its burger to stay competitive. The next one, differentiate the products, for example, make a healthier option. Then for the last one, introduce new combo meals or promotions to retain customers. So we move on to the next question, which is question 4.
Calculate the price electricity of supply. The extract from the question is QS0 equal to 500, QS1 equal to 700, price 0 equal to 45, price 1 equal to 60. The formula is percentage change in quantity supply of durian divide to percentage change in price of Musang King durian. The answer that we get is 1.2%. For the question B, we use a elastic supply curve. In this case, elastic is bigger than 1. Supply is very responsive to the price changes. If there is a 1% increase in price, the quantity supplied will increase by 1.2%. For the implication is they get availability if resource to increase output quickly. Second, flexibility in production processes. Third, and lastly, if market price rise, the farm can be benefit by significantly increase production to get higher revenue.
That's all from us.